Hi, today what I have for you is a personal hack that I figured out kind of through accident, and I needed a little help from the internet as well. But let me tell you, do you have an iPhone like this that doesn't have a normal microphone port, and you're trying to connect your Deity or your Rode microphone to it? Well, if you're lucky enough to have gotten a iPhone 11 or later, you might be able to get one of these included in your box. If you haven't, what I have for you is a solution. I was able to find one on Amazon that works, and there are different types. So here's the thing. It has to be a certain type. It has to be for Apple iPhones that are over the version of 10.0. They also have to be MFI certified, which that basically means that they're certified to work with the iPhone. But I did both of those things and it didn't work. And it was driving me crazy for weeks. And I did want a photo shoot and record a photo shoot I was doing. So what I did was I trial and error. I bought another cable and figured out what was going wrong. So don't do what I did wrong, which is plug one of these in. And this is a microphone jack that goes right to the end of the cable for my Deity mic. This is a TRRS top ring. And what I did wrong is when I played back the recording, I left this dongle plugged into the bottom of my phone and pushed play to see what it sounded like. Guess what? No audio came from it. And it was very, very frustrating. So I tried it again, different ways, and it kept on doing the same thing. I unplugged it from my iPhone and audio came through. So don't do what I did. If you happen to have one of these, go ahead and get yourself one of these from Amazon. I have a link down below. Or if you're lucky enough to get one in your box, go ahead and just plug one of these in. Make sure that you unplug it when you try to listen to yourself. So hopefully that helps you, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe to my channel.